Hey there, welcome back to our channel. Today, we have an exciting topic to discuss: project management. Have you ever wondered what a project manager is and what they actually do? Well, you're in the right place. In this video, we'll dive into the world of project management and explore the essential roles and responsibilities of a project manager. To understand project management, let's begin with the basics. A project manager is a professional responsible for planning, executing, and closing projects. They are like the captain of a ship, guiding the project team towards success. They possess a unique set of skills and expertise to ensure projects are completed on time, within budget, and to the satisfaction of stakeholders. Now, you might be wondering, what are the specific tasks that project managers handle? Well, let's break it down. First and foremost, project managers are responsible for project planning. They define project goals, objectives, and deliverables. They develop a detailed project plan that outlines the scope, timeline, budget, and available resources. Once the planning phase is complete, project managers move on to project execution. This is where the real action happens. They coordinate and manage the project team, assigning tasks and ensuring everyone knows what they need to do. They monitor progress, resolve issues, and communicate with stakeholders to keep them informed. Last but not least, we have project closure. When a project nears completion, project managers review the outcomes against the initial objectives. They conduct a final assessment, document lessons learned, and ensure that all project deliverables are complete and handed over to the appropriate parties. But wait, there's more. Project managers also wear many hats throughout the project lifecycle. They act as negotiators, problem solvers, and communicators. They facilitate collaboration among team members and stakeholders, making sure everyone is working towards the same goal. To be a successful project manager, you need a variety of skills. Effective communication, leadership, and organization are crucial. You must be able to adapt to changing circumstances and juggle multiple priorities. It's a challenging yet rewarding role that requires a blend of technical and interpersonal abilities. So, whether you're interested in becoming a project manager or simply want to understand the role better, it's important to appreciate the vital role they play in bringing projects to fruition. From planning to execution to closure, project managers are the driving force behind successful endeavors. That wraps up our video on project managers and their responsibilities. We hope you found it informative and insightful. If you have any questions or want to share your thoughts, please leave a comment down below. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our channel for more exciting content. Thank you for watching.